Hi everyone, and welcome to our CX Summit Awards ceremony. As Rowan said earlier, we love talking about customers and celebrating their wins. So as we come to the end of the first day of CX Summit 2021, we are super pleased to be able to announce the winners of the first ever Reimagine CX Awards. We created the Reimagine CX Awards to recognise the innovation, inspiration and success of you, our customers out there in the Five9 CX community. The awards embody the mantra of this year's event, where Reimagined meets realised, and show the power of technology and AI in the contact centre. All the submissions were judged by Robin Garris, the CEO and Principal Analyst at Metrigy, and Evan Kirstel, Chief Digital Evangelist and co-founder of eVera Health, a B2B thought leader and top technology influencer. So let's get to it. Who are our winners? Our first category is in increasing business agility with cloud. This recognises organisations that are accelerating digital transformation by moving their contact centre from on-premises to the cloud. And the winner is Lake County Health Department and Community Health Centre in Illinois. Lake County had a 5-year roadmap to move to the cloud and into remote collaboration. But when COVID struck, this timeline was accelerated. By transitioning its contact centre technology from an on-premises solution to the cloud, Lake County quickly accelerated a digital transformation, going live in 48 hours with its new COVID-19 hotline. Not only did they move multiple departments to the cloud quickly to allow staff to work remotely, but they also integrated Microsoft Teams, which allowed clinic contact investigators, disease preventionists, and others to work seamlessly with the contact centre during the influx of heavy calls. With information changing daily, the call volume was through the roof during the height of the pandemic. Lake County was receiving over 9 times the amount of calls they normally would. Please join me in celebrating the inspiring story of Lake County's amazing and very quick digital transformation. Our second category is scale and AI. Recognising organisations that are optimising workforce performance with a connected customer journey across digital channels and AI-enabled self and assisted service. This award goes to McKesson. By creating a digital front door that allows its customers to engage with agents on their channel of choice, McKesson, one of the largest providers of medical supplies and pharmaceuticals, optimised its workforce performance with the Five9 Intelligent Virtual Agent. McKesson have launched 2 pilot programs where IVAs handle prescription refill requests and Medicare patient eligibility checks, saving minutes per call, and providing their customers and patients with round-the-clock prescription refill support. Please join me in celebrating the AI-driven digital workforce journey that McKesson is embarking upon. Great job. Now, introducing our next category, Streamline with automation, AI and analytics, the 3 A's. For organisations, this is all about making data-driven decisions using business intelligence and real-time reporting. Committed to bridging the digital divide for underserved communities, TrueConnect is a mobile service provider that sells mobile hotspots, smartphones, data plans and much more to its clients. TrueConnect partnered with Five9 during the pandemic to implement practical AI across its 3 contact centres. With Agent Assist, TrueConnect agents have real-time call guidance and reminders during their calls, helping them to add more value to their customers. With real-time transcription of calls, the call summaries can be posted back to their CRM immediately with a push of a button, reducing the average handle time by 30 seconds. Five9 has helped TrueConnect increase agent engagement and productivity and helped them achieve a savings of over 7.5% in the first year alone. Please join me in celebrating TrueConnect's innovation in practical AI and automation. Up next, we have our Empower Agents and Deliver Results to recognise organisations that are equipping their contact centre agents and supervisors with tools to enable them to work from anywhere through effective quality management, performance management and gamification. A must, especially when a lot of agents are suffering from agent burnout. Formed by the Intercontinental Exchange, BACT enables consumers and institutions to buy, sell, store and spend digital assets via a seamless global network, providing the platform for consumers to redeem points and rewards. BACT uses Five9's workforce optimization solution to establish straightforward scheduling and management functionality, as well as an easier way to capture voice and screen activity. This helps with visibility into calls, process improvements, and agent coaching. Big on transparency, BACT has deployed an instance of Five9 quality management to its clients, so teams can measure the quality of service BACT agents are providing. Letting their clients access calls in their domain, they can pull calls at random and check that scorecards are consistent. That type of transparency has been an advantage and a game changer for BACT. Please join me in celebrating BACT's success in motivating and empowering their agents to deliver stellar results in an open and transparent way. Now, moving on to the next category, this winner was selected by the Five9 CX community. This is the Community Excellence Award, and it recognises organisations that continuously demonstrate empathy towards their customers and work in a space that has a larger impact on the community than just the ordinary course of business. This organisation's empathetic work practices have improved the employee experience and have brought a spotlight to second chance hiring. And the Community Excellence Award goes to Televerde. Televerde staffs a portion of its contact centres with highly trained women who are also incarcerated. They're eager to learn and they're working to improve their business skills. Televerde has designed a world-class contact centre, enabling their agents to deliver amazing results to customers. Having visibility into KPIs to measure performance and success is critical. Using Five9 tools like Performance Dashboard and gamification creates fun competition for the Televerde team and keeps agents motivated and engaged. Graduates of the Televerde program go on to attain employment, earnings and education at significantly higher rates than those without such fantastic support. The 3-year recidivism rates for Televerde program graduates is 91% lower than the national 3-year average. Please join me in celebrating the tremendous success of Televerde's empathetic mission. Now, I also want to take a moment to recognise NextRep with an honourable mention. Also a nominee for this award, NextRep has been a long-time Five9 customer. And as Rowan mentioned in his keynote, using their agents and the Five9 platform for good, they supported the Stand Up for Cancer event through their pop-up contact centre. In fact, the most recent event raised over $140 million in the course of a single weekend. Okay, folks, we've reached the final category, Best Overall Reimagined CX Story. After reviewing all of the submissions, and it was a tough choice, the winner was selected by our judges and by the Five9 leadership team, COVID Clinic. COVID Clinic provides a critical public health service by organising and setting up drive-through testing for COVID-19. Rowan and Callan both talked about in their keynote session the immense volume of calls that COVID Clinic were receiving from people wanting to make appointments or follow up on test results. They were rapidly expanding and struggling to hire and onboard agents quickly enough to meet the customer demand. As the pandemic escalated and the need to get tested increased, COVID Clinic expanded operations at an exponential rate. At the height of the pandemic, their contact centre was receiving over 90,000 calls a day, but they were dropping over 4,000 calls a day. It was mission critical for COVID Clinic to have an intelligent cloud contact centre offering that could provide the flexibility to scale and the reliability to meet the unique needs of their organisation. COVID Clinic, and we're very proud of this, selected Five9 and today have an IVA that automates the process of booking appointments, freeing up agents to handle more complex customer requests. Now, COVID Clinic has got transparency into agent activity and productivity, the ability to scale on demand, the support for continual growth and innovation, and they are getting an estimated cost savings of over $2 million in the first year of utilising Five9 IVA. Please join me in celebrating COVID Clinic and their positive contribution to help in the fight against COVID. Wow, what a note to end on. So please join me in a big virtual round of applause to all of the customers who were nominated and to all of our winners who are reimagining their CX and realising real results. We're going to look forward to continuing to recognise additional customers as we start the annual tradition of the Reimagine CX Awards. It has been a truly great first day. But please remember you can catch up on any of the sessions on demand if you miss them. And we will be continuing the CX Summit tomorrow with plenty of new live content, including our closing keynote from astronaut Mike Massimino. You don't want to miss it. We will look forward to seeing you there. Thanks, everyone.